Since we're at the beach today, I'm going to tell the story of what those very things that we just heard. Well, the seagulls, but some of those are, some of them are, some other kind of forget terns or something. So the last time I spoke with my Aunt Frances, she was 93 years old. Almost blind or completely blind. She was in Jacksonville, Florida, and I was in San Diego, California. Sometime around 2010, maybe. I think it was. And she said that she could see the white bird, which is symbolic of taking somebody away to the afterlife, leaving the world. And then I thought, well, Florida, yeah, they got those white cranes. The cranes. And then I don't remember what all we talked about. That's all I remember about that. I was probably... No, I didn't have that. Wait a minute. I was mistaken because I would have had the phone. I was so broke. It was almost my last. That's another story within itself. The track phone. I think I'm mistaken about the year. I think it was 2014. Wait a minute. The phone. Confused about the phone that I was on. Well, I can't remember what year it was. It was sometime in the early 20 teens. But I remember that conversation went like, I can see the white bird. At some point, we said goodbye, and then right after that, within seconds, one of those seagulls landed on top of the RV I was in, right above me, and just jumped real hard and loud, like as if to say, I am real. This is true. She can see. She did see the white bird. And I've had the seagulls on top of the RV. I've heard them walking back and forth, but never like that. So, amen to that story.